This is the neutral way and the net ID is ZN2036. I'm doing question 7 in homework 7. Okay, let's start. First question. Find the expected value of ZT. First, we know n sub 1 t and n sub 2 t are wide sense stationary, which means the expected value of n sub 1 t equals to n sub 1 t equals to not n equals to its mean 1, and it's the same as n sub 2t. It's a constant. And then we can extend Zn Zt. Okay, and we know that here is a plus sign, so we can divide the expected value into two parts. And in the first part, we can also divide it into two parts. So the first part we can write it down. The second part is the same. And we know that here this is mean 1, and the second part we can use the definition to calculate it. This is the density function of theta. We can say theta is uniformly distributed in 0 to 2 pi. So this part from the figure of cosine, we know this is 0, and we know the second part is also 0, so the result is 0. Okay, the second question, autocorrelation. First we write it down as definition. And expected value and then we extend it. It's a large work, so I will skip it, but I will note 2 points. First, we can write R someone tau. This is equals to expected value of 1 T1 and 1 T2 tau is the difference of t2 minus t1. Okay. The second point is because we use cosine or sine, we will use the formula like this: cosine alpha cosine beta equals to cosine alpha plus beta plus cosine alpha minus beta. And with the 2 points, we can calculate the result. The result is half of r sub 1 tau plus r sub 2 tau cosine tau, because the result is only related to tau, so we can write it as r z tau. And is this the wide sense stationary? First, we know it can be written in this way, and then its expected value is constant, so it's wide sense stationary. Okay. The third question: find r sub z 0. R sub z 0. Okay. We can just bring tau into this formula. Because tau is 0, we can write it and this part cosine 0 is 1, so here times 1 we omit it, and we can use the definition. R tau equals E t minus tau and E t. Okay, so is that right? Oh, sorry. N2. So we can write it as this way. Because tau is 0, so here n sub 1 square so this is the result. Thanks for watching.